There it is, guys. We're out in the backyard trail park today. This is my Cross RC AT4 EMO. One of the things that I love about it the most, the yellow headlights. I know that might sound really dumb, and like for the young folks that are watching right now, you're like, what are you talking about? These are like matching what this truck basically should look like if this was actually a truck, a licensed truck. That style of headlight definitely appeals to me. The great work on the grille and the bumper is fantastic. I did an unboxing video on this and showed the inner wheel wells. I love it, but I don't want to talk today. I actually want to do a little bit of action and give this a little bit of a test. Now, it does have a high and low speed on it. It does have remote locking differentials, and I think without more talking, we should get into driving. Come on, baby. Whoa! Is it in high gear or low gear? Let me see. There we go. I wasn't in high gear. Now, I did go in and open up the motor and look at the transmission to see if there was like a really tight mesh in there. And really, Cross RC transmissions, I think, just are normally loud. It seems to be that way. Let me know your experience if you've used Cross RC before. Bumblebeast, my other trucks were loud. I did put some grease in the transmission. Look at this. What a great obstacle to have in your backyard course. Trying to get that pinion mesh and everything to sound better. Oh, come on, buddy. Is it gonna tip? I wonder if we're like stuck in the ground. This should have been tipping over. All right, that's definitely wrong. Anybody that knows my show right now would be like, that's gonna slam down. Why is it stuck? Is it frozen? Oh, there we go. I got this counterweight on the back, so it just reset itself. Look at that, eh? So funny. The way it should have gone. You guys can check out my backyard trail park videos. I got quite a few of them on this channel. Look at that. A nice weight in here. I do have a 3S LiPo inside, which is 11.1 volts, higher than that on a full charge, over 12 volts. But being 7,000 milliamp hours gives it a huge weight in it, which I love, and it will run for hours. Yeah, you heard me right. 7,000 milliamps. That's what you need for a blaster. Come on, buddy. Locked differentials, which means all tires are turning under power right now. So I'm just gonna start turning my tires, seeing if I can get some hookup here. The art of the slow crawl, my friends. Learning how to get your tires to hook up with proper throttle control. Knowing when in doubt, when to throttle out. Oh, like that. But when to back off so you don't shoot your truck off the top of the ramp. For everybody that's watching this during the time of this release, I hope everybody has a happy holiday, of course. Happy Hanukkah. Well, I know that's past, but Merry Christmas, whatever you guys celebrate. Whatever you guys are into. Such a beautiful time of year. There it is. I love slow crawling like that. And of course a good shot with the headlights here in the shadows. And then a huge dip right here. Watch this. It basically goes straight down. I'm gonna have to keep on the throttle. There we go. And then the tower. I'll reposition over here. That way you don't have my shadow in your way blocking your view. Dudes, here I was talking about nothing really special, but this is really kind of holding up to what I thought would have been failing already. There it is. Stock tires, everything on there. Stock, stock, stock. Nice and slow, nice and slow. Come on down like I was actually stealing my dad's truck here and just going for a wheel with my buddies. No scratches. Returned with a equal amount of gas in the gas tank. I'm not encouraging anybody to do this. I would say that it has happened in history before. I'm sure there's a few stories I've reminded you of right now. Wesley Pipes is waiting right here. It is not easy. First we gotta line it up, because if you fall, like, it is cold and it is a long way down. Yes, that's a better view for you. What do you think, hey? I'm gonna leave a link in the video description box down below. Dang it! Dang it! Ah, down I go. I know a lot of people ask me, where do you get your stuff in the videos? So I leave links below the video player in most of my videos, if that's helpful for you. There we go. Let's see if I can get this lined up. Film, narrate, drive, not make any mistakes. Oh, very nice, very nice. Through the shadows. Oh, full-size car distracting me. Well, I frigged that up. There's no recovering from that. Bye-bye. Oh yeah, no. Yes! Oh, damn it! Dad is going to be pissed. Okay, yeah, round 4 is always the magic number anyway. So the secret is no narrating, even though I'm narrating. Yeah, and be consistent on the throttle. Hey-oh. Dude, there's no mud pit or anything. It's just all snow right now. Yeah. It sounds so much better since I adjusted the pinion and the motor. So it had a tighter mesh, I'm assuming. Okay, that's in crawl gear. And it's all locked, like the differentials are locked. This is how you lock and unlock the differentials. I just turned it into the high gear though. Yeah, so not like amazing speed. But it's a crawler, and they call it a crawler for a reason. Aha! This is when slow-mo actually helps you, because in the slow-mo shot, I was able to see that the slipper clutch needs to be tightened. And a slipper clutch is a piece in the transmission, a couple of plates that squeeze together, and basically it allows your gear to slip when it's under torque and your tires aren't able to turn. So if it's a little bit loose, the spring is too loose on your slipper clutch, your tires will, basically the motor will move, but the tires won't move as quickly. See that? It had a delay. That's okay. Woohoo! Here, I put it in some snow so you can kind of see what I mean. I'll go full blast. You see? That's how I know. So there is your look at the Cross RC AT4, the EMO. Is it fun? Absolutely. Does it have a lot of features? Yes, it does. Did I break anything today when it flipped upside down and, you know, bashed itself a few times? Nothing at all. I enjoyed using the vehicle. I find that it is not like anything leading edge or like cutting edge in technology, but it is definitely a competitor in the 1/10 scale electric trail truck market. With the locking differentials, the 2-speed transmission, the portal axles, even though a truck like that normally wouldn't have portal axles, if you're going to be in the 1/10 scale game, the scale trail game these days, it's kind of like if you don't have portal axles, you're literally left behind because it's a little bit more challenging. But again, Cross RC, the AT4, the EMO version, there it is, guys. Let me know your thoughts in the video comment section down below. As always, I enjoyed the fact that you came to play with me today. Thank you for checking out the video, and we'll see you in the next episode. And in fact, if you want to watch one, here's one right now.